What up everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling with me, AB. So check it out, you done seen that thumbnail, you know what I'm doing. Hey, but listen, the level up on this is, we finna smoke it. Now, I'm gonna show you guys just how easy it is to make a smoked meatloaf. Listen, if you guys are looking for more ideas, and a lot of people, listen to this, I gotta say this, a lot of people think these are like difficult. Super easy, dump and goes. And look, I'm gonna be using my pellet grill, but check this out. Or you guys can use, you know, like a Weber grill. Actually, any type of grill. Listen, the weather's right. You can do whatever you want. Let's get outside, let's smoke, and let's make it happen. Okay, going over the ingredients, look, I got my pork. Each one of these, this is pork 1 pound, that's 1 pound of ground beef. Now, look at right here. You see all these ingredients right here, all the way across here. And then I gotta show you this. Look, this is my red wine vinegar. I just like this. Look at this bottle right here. Hey, all of the ingredients and the measurements will be down in the description box below. Okay, so look, I'm gonna start off by just adding my pork, right? We're just gonna add the pork. Now my ground beef. So now look, we got our meat in. Now it's getting ready to go fast. Red bell peppers, breadcrumbs, onions, parsley, W sauce, Creole, paprika, kosher salt, ketchup, milk. And now for my garlic cloves, right? So I'm not gonna bore you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and just load it up. I'm gonna do one on camera just because it makes me smile. Then we're gonna add the other 3. Okay, and last but not least, 2 eggs. All right, so look, I used to say a lot of times you gotta get in there with your hands, right? Meatloaf is one of those things that you just gotta get in there with, right? So obviously you can see I got some gloves. So now we're just gonna go ahead and incorporate everything together, just like you see here. Okay, so look, the key is you don't wanna overmix it, right? You just wanna make sure that everything is incorporated. You don't wanna pack it and squeeze or nothing like that. You just wanna get a mix. And I can tell you right now, just from feeling this, I can tell you this is gonna be like super moist, folks. Hey, so look, let me set this off to the side. Let me get my pan, let's form it, and then we're gonna take it outside, and then we're gonna do that level up. Okay, so look, I'm gonna start by just taking my baking sheet, right? You guys can do it however you want to. I mean, you gotta put it on some type of sheet to put it inside your smoker or on top of your grill, whatever you're doing, right? So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and take this, and look, this is 2 pounds of meat, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and just get this to come out. Because what I'm gonna do right now is just like shape it. I don't wanna like compact it, but we just wanna shape it, right? So, use both my hands. This is where it get cool. Now, you see that right there? This is the shape. Now, if you ever wanted to know why they call it meatloaf, look at that right there. Don't it look like a loaf of bread? You know what I mean? This is cool. I don't wanna beat it up and keep compacting it so much because you want it to be a little bit on the loose side. Why? Because we don't want our meat to be so dense, right? So we'll leave it like this. I like that shape. Now we're finna take this outside. I got my smoker, it's already up to temp. And then we'll put it in there and start that counter. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, let me open this up. As you can see, I'm using my RecTech 680, right? This is my pellet grill, this is my oven. But check it out, the heat, the smoke, and all of that is what's gonna infuse all of that flavor into my meatloaf. So I'm gonna stick it right here in the center, and I'm gonna go ahead and give this a close it. My pellet grill is gonna maintain 350 degrees. Now, if you guys are using the kettle grill, right? You wanna set it up where you got an indirect and a direct zone. You wanna put your pan on the non-direct or indirect side, right? You wanna maintain 350 degrees, and we're gonna go for 45 minutes. After that, we're gonna take it out, then we're gonna coat it, we're gonna put it back in for about another 15 to 20 minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and eat it. Super easy, folks. Okay, look, I got about 15 minutes left, right? It's 45 minutes into the cook. Now, what I did was, I just left it on there because it's okay if it goes just a little bit longer. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make my topping, right? This right here is what makes the meatloaf. So look, I'm gonna go ahead and add this right here is my ketchup, vinegar, brown sugar, and the rest of my seasonings. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and take my fresh ground pepper, grind up some. Again, I can't give you the amount. Even if you put a teaspoon, half a teaspoon or whatever, it'll be perfect, trust me. Now, let me go ahead and get this mixed up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just, use a whisk. You guys got a fork, that works too. Okay, look, it's been a total time of 55 minutes, right? Let's go ahead and open this up, take a look at it. That right there looks good to me. Now look, it's been in here 55 minutes, getting infused with that flavor, right? From whatever pellets or wood or charcoal that you use. To be honest with you, when you brush it like that, it depends on how thick your topping is. it doesn't really go in there. So it's probably best to do what I'm gonna do right here. Get yourself a spoon, and we just gonna spoon it on top like this, and then we'll use the brush to distribute it. Okay, you see that? That's what you're gonna wanna see. You want it to be on there nice and thick. That's gonna put a nice flavor to it. And then we're gonna infuse some smoke onto that and get that to caramelize just a little bit and bake on. So now we're gonna set a timer for another, I'm gonna say another 15 minutes, then we're gonna take a look at it and we're gonna go from there. Now, let's take a look at it after 15 minutes. Take a look at that right there. That right there is meatloaf, folks. Hey, listen, when I tell you smoking one is the best, and don't trip. If you don't have a pellet grill, remember, you can put it on a pellet grill, stick burner. You can put it on a gas grill or whatever, but I prefer you to put it on something where you gotta use briquettes, wood, or something like that. Now, with that being said, let's take this inside. Okay, so now you guys can get an up close and personal, look at it, right? So what I did was I just got this, these are my utensils that I use outside on my griddle. I'm gonna go ahead and break that seal. I'm gonna take it, and then we're gonna go ahead and insert it on this. Check out this plate right here. I know y'all gonna be asking me like, hey, send me the link to that. I'm gonna look for this. You know what, I bought this local. Hey, just found this. These are like them gems that you find. Anyway, look, I ain't gonna over talk it. Let me get it on there because I'm ready to cut it so we can taste it and eat it and go from there. All right, so look, got it on a platter. This is the way you guys would probably present this and put this on your table like that, right? But for me, I'm gonna take it like this. I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a little cut. You know what I mean? So let's just go ahead and cut this like this. Oh, it's nice and moist. Oh my goodness. Look at this right here. When I say moist, I mean moist, folks. So I guess I'll go ahead and take it off like this. I'll show it to you. Look at that right there. Let me turn it this way so you guys can see what it looked like in the inside. That right there is fire. Ooh-wee. I want to get it all, folks. Now, I want you guys to let me know down in the comment section below, how do you guys, serve yours? What do you serve it with? Do you do it the traditional way? Meaning, do you do the mashed potatoes, green beans, all of that? I'm sure you guys do, but listen, I'm not gonna over talk it. We about to eat one more time so y'all can see. Look at that right there. Oh yeah. That right there, that's fire, folks. Okay, look, let's go ahead and hit it. I'm gonna hit it right here. I want you to look right here. Look how soft that is. Really no resistance. That's when you don't overpack that meat. You know what I mean? So do it like that. Get a little, come on, fall over there. Oh man, mouth is already watering. Cheers, y'all. I want you guys to look at my face, look at my reaction. Hey, this is just real. There's nothing like making something that's nice, moist, you know what I mean? It's savory with that touch of like sweetness with that ketchup top and them flavors. And not to mention that we raised it up, right? Because we smoked it. Really ain't got no words for it. You guys gotta do it. Take it out of the oven, take it outside, put that flavor from them grills on it, and then tell me what you guys think. Super easy. Let me know when you guys try this recipe, when you guys come back. Let me go ahead and wipe my mouth. Hey, sorry y'all. Hey, certain things just be close to my heart. Meatloaf is one of them. Meatloaf, spaghetti, you know what I mean? Man, it's so, yeah. I don't even want to say that because you can look at my sides and see a lot of things is close to my heart as far as what I make. Hey, with that being said, listen, this is very, very good. And I'm telling you, a true level up is taking it outside. You know what I mean? It's warming up. You guys can go outside with your family. You can do things. You know what I mean? Food is like the centerpiece to our social, gatherings now. Hey, so with that being said, try this, level it up, come back, let me know down in the description box below what you guys think. Now, so if you're new to my channel, let me just take this time to say, hey, thank you for watching. Don't forget to smash that like, hit that subscribe button, and ring that bell, all right? That way you can be notified anytime I drop any of these fire recipes like this right here. And I just want to say this, y'all. Look, we're taking a lot of food out of this oven, and we're taking it outside with that infusion of that smoke. And stay with me, folks. And I don't want to over talk it, because listen, I got some mashed potatoes and peas coming out, and I will be ready for that. Hey, I'm out of here. Peace.